Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. Today's topic is how to buy a house in the UK if you're coming here for the first time. Now, many of you will be considering moving here for various reasons. It could be work, it could be family relocation, or it could be simply because you love our beautiful English weather. I'm filming this on the 6th of April, early spring, just after Easter, and we've just had a snowstorm. This is one thing I love about England. If you don't like the weather, just wait an hour because the sun will be out soon. But more seriously, since the 1st of April this year, anybody buying a house in the UK and who hasn't been resident in the UK for 183 days in the last 365 will have to pay a 2% non-resident surcharge. Now this could add £20,000 to £1 million house, and £100,000 to a £5 million one. You can, however, reclaim that surcharge if in the following 365 days you are resident for 183 days. In actual fact, the test is that you've been resident in the UK for 183 days in the 730 days bridging the date of completion. Keep those numbers in mind. Now this might affect not only when you purchase property, but how you purchase property. But firstly, I'd just like to be clear, it only applies to wholly residential property. It doesn't apply to things like farms or large houses with lots of grounds where there is commercial use of those grounds. But assuming that you're buying a standard residential property in the UK, you need to be thinking in terms of moving here before you buy it for a period, or certainly moving here within 6 months of having bought it, so that you will get that critical 183 days in somewhere. The good news is that if you're married, you can send your spouse, or you can come first and leave the spouse behind. As long as one of you has been here for 183 days, then you don't pay the surcharge, or if it bridges completion, you can reclaim it. Now, I'm sorry this has all been very confusing. You will probably need to take detailed advice as part of your plan to purchase in the UK to ensure that you either don't pay the 2% surcharge, or if you have to, you have sufficient qualifying days in order to be able to reclaim it. As the world seems to be coming back together and opening up, we expect many people will be moving to the UK, and we look forward to seeing you and we look forward to helping you. Now, if you want to talk through your 2% issues and your plans, you can contact the team. The links to our website are in the description below. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you can receive updates about the non-resident surcharge, stamp duty, and the UK property market and taxes in general. Thank you for listening.